Hi everybody, this is Gigi. Solution for the expected value homework number 5. Here, you and a partner will roll a die, each one of you. And let's say you're playing against me, you two against me. You win $5 if you roll the same number. And then you get an extra bonus 5 if you both get 6. Okay. Otherwise, you will lose $2 to me. All right. What is the expected value? Would this be a game that you want to play with me? Let's see. So here are the events. If you get the same number that is not 6, you will get $5. For example, you could get 1 1, 2 2, 3 3, 4 4, 5 5, then you will get $5. Okay, so the probability of that happening is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 out of how many possibilities when you are rolling 2 dice would be 36, right? Because in that chart, it's a 6 by 6. So that's 36. And then if you take 5 out of 36, multiply by $5, that would be approximately, where is my paper? 0.6944. Okay, now if you get both of you get 6, you would get a bonus 5, which would be $10, right? So the probability of both of you getting 6 is 1 out of 36. Okay, so 1 out of 36 multiplied by 10 is going to be approximately 0. And we're talking money, so I'm putting that in decimal form, 2778. Now, otherwise, anything here, when you don't match up, you lose $2. You lose $2 here, $2 here, you lose $2 here, and all of these other ones, you would lose $2, right? All of these red ones, you would lose $2. So what's the probability of the rest? That would be 30 out of 36. And if you take 30 out of 36, multiply by the negative $2 that you are going to lose, it is approximately negative 1.6667. Okay, so we would say in this case, your expected value, and I know my expected value is going to be in red because that is bigger than the green and black. So the expected value would be the sum of these right here, and that would be negative 0.6945. So what does that mean? That means that you should expect to lose 69.45 cents per game in the long run. And that's what expected value means. Okay, so this is a losing game. You do not want to play with me if that's the case. Okay, so the question here would be, what would have to change in this game for you to say, hey, maybe it's a better deal? Well, maybe 5 could be something bigger, right? How much bigger for you to actually be winning? Good question. So play around with it. If you have friends and family around, play this game and see what will happen.